How to locate GCMS reports. To access the GCMS reports for the oils you've already purchased, simply locate the batch number by referencing the top dot on the bottle of oil. Once you've identified your batch number, simply enter the name of the product in the master search bar. Scroll down the page until you see View Full GCMS Report and click to open the report. By default, the most current batch of oil will be presented, but you can easily change the visible report by clicking on the Change drop-down menu and selecting the batch number that matches your top dot. A very useful feature of the GCMS report is found when clicking Compare Batches. From here, you can view a side-by-side comparison of the GCMS reports for a given oil. Another way to access the GCMS report is to scroll down the product page until you see the Properties tab. You'll notice that directly below the aroma number, there is another clickable button to access the GCMS reports. Lastly, if you're only concerned with comparing the top chemical components across batches of essential oil, you can click on the Batch History tab to reveal the top 5 chemical components from the 4 most recent batches of oil. This is a useful tool when a full GCMS analysis is more than you require for formulating your blends.